Hello Hathorians and welcome to the all-new Hathor Web Wallet tutorial with MetaMask Snaps integration. So let's get started. So here you can see the Hathor Web Wallet and we have the MetaMask Snaps integration. Make sure it's installed to the latest version by clicking this and then simply just connect, confirm. You'll get a few of these: install Hathor Wallet and confirm. And after a few prompts from MetaMask to confirm, as you can see here, okay, we're installed. Great, so we connect the wallet, again, connect, and approve. So now we should all be synced up, and you can see I have a balance already of 200 HTR. And what we're simply going to do is just send some HTR to another Hathor wallet. So here, I'm on my other wallet here, just copied the address over, and I'm going to send about 10 HTR now, paste the address, and send the tokens. Approve the transaction. And it's done. So if I head over to the wallet now, you can see I've received 10 HTR here. And simply let's do it again. Let's get the QR to receive, copy the address, and send the HTR from the other wallet. So again, paste the address in, put 10 in here, and send the tokens. And in a sec, it should all be done. Yes, sent successfully. So again, head over to the web wallet. We can see here, sent and received the 10 and the 10. And if I click here, again, sent and received 10 and 10. Amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Any questions, do drop a comment in the Hathor community. And finding the community, you can find us. Just go to our website, hathor.network, and you can join all the communities there, from Discord to Telegram and even X. Take care, guys.